Hi, I'm Trish. Welcome to the Gig House Kitchen. Today we're going to make some very quick and easy 2-ingredient doughnuts. So let's get down to it. So here we have my 2 ingredients. We have some self-raising flour, about 100 grams, and we have a pot of strawberry yoghurt. You could have any yoghurt that you like, any flavour, but I've chosen strawberry. So what I'm going to do is get the bowl and put my flour into the bowl, simming it, just to add a little bit of extra air. And then I'm going to add my yoghurt. Now, I'm not sure how much yoghurt to add. This is actually a recipe that I found online. I tried it the other day and was so successful I thought I'd show you how to do it. Quite often I make doughnuts, but I make them with yeast and prove them and that sort of thing. This is actually just a little bit of fun. Now I haven't put any sugar in because we're going to glaze them later. We're going to do a chocolate and a vanilla glaze, and that will provide the sweetness. I'm going to add a little bit more yoghurt. Now what I basically want is a stiff paste, so I'm going to just keep mixing that till I get it. This is just the right consistency. I had to add a little bit more yoghurt, so it was about a container and a bit, but I've got it just how I want it now, so it's ready to fry. So I'm going to get set up to fry them, so I'm going to go get Mr. Bleepers out of the cupboard, and I shall see you in a moment. Right, well, we're having a great deal of fun here actually. I've got my pan on Mr. Bleepers with some sunflower oil in, and I have here a silver salver with some paper towel on. I've put my donut mix into a piping bag, and I have a scissors here. So basically I'm going to push out the mixture and just literally cut it into the pan with the scissors. Drop it in carefully. I'm doing this so you get the nice round shape. If you use a spoon, it can be a little bit more difficult to get the round shape. However, having said that, if that's all you've got, then you could do it. So they only take literally seconds to cook. They tend to sink to the bottom, and then when they cook, they float to the top. Be very careful when you put them into the fat. You don't really want sort of boiling fat in your eye or anything like that. I'm not saying you should wear goggles, but you just need to exercise a little bit of caution. So I'm just going to fry the rest off, and I'll see you in a little while. So here are the finished doughnuts, which I have fried off. We made about 30 out of that mixture, and they look really cute. To make them even nicer, we've got here 3 glazes. So here I have some sugar with a little bit of sweet cinnamon. I've got some tempered chocolate, and if you want to know how to temper chocolate, you need to look at our Easter egg video, which is in the corner. And here I have a vanilla glaze. Now all this is literally is some icing sugar, some vanilla essence and a little bit of milk. Okay, so here we go then. I'm going to make 10 of each. So the first thing I'm going to try is the vanilla glaze. I'm going to just drop the doughnuts in. There we go. So I'm just going to put it on there for it to dry slightly. And then I've got the chocolate. I'm going to put it in the chocolate and coat them. So I'm going to move them around. So I'll do the other 5 in a minute. And here I've got my cinnamon sugar, so I'm just going to drop 5 into that. So I'm just going to finish the rest, and I'll see you in a little while. So there you have it, 2-ingredient doughnuts with 3 different glazes. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to subscribe. See you next time in the Gig House Kitchen. Bye.